going to attempt to do some work, but oh, look at that cage. My raccoon trap is blown in the wind. The wind is so terrible, it's throwing things all over the place. I've got to work at this pile. I've got to try to get some firewood for burning. There's a lot of wood here. There's a good piece down there. And I've got to get my log splitter broke out so I can start using it. It doesn't work. It's too cold out here. It's freezing cold. I'm trying to wear a scarf and it's just tangling up and stuff. I hope my camera doesn't get broke. So all this wood's got to be cut up to burn. My friends had helped stack this up. And now I've got to get to my wood splitter. These I can cut and burn. These I can cut and burn. All that can burn. That's a good burnable piece. These are too wet yet. And uncleared. Burnable. Cut and burn. Now it's time to sort what's immediately burnable from what's not. Out of all this pile. Now I've got plenty of wood, I just have to sort it. I can burn. It's burnable. It's all good stuff. That'll go in the house. That can be split. That's, yeah, I'll split that and see if it works. Burnt. That's not burnable. So the goal now is to dig out the log splitter and start using it, because I do have some wood that can be split and burnt. It's just a matter of getting it sorted now. Oh, there's a good piece. Go in the house. Yeah, this is good wood for cutting, burning. All that. It's all good cured wood. These are not. None of these are ready. That's a good piece right there. That'll burn. Firewood. Camera. Whoa. Oh wow. Oh, I got dirt in my eyes. Oh, that's a good piece. That's cured. That's cured. That's ready to go. That's cured. That's good. It's all burnable. Right now, burnable. That's good kindling. Comes another gust. The camera can't do it justice. You don't see the wickedness of those trees moving. You don't get the right view of it. But I gotta grab the camera when that happens, or I'll break it. Oh, here comes another one. Ah. I don't really like working out here under these trees. Here comes it. Look at it passing through. Here comes another one. You can see it coming across the forest. Here it passes through. Alright, I think we're going to have a calm minute. I can continue working for a minute. I just don't want to break my camera. understandable. Scared. What I've got going over here is barnwood and cured lumber that's ready to roll. All I have to do is cut it up. And then I'm sorting out the cured logs from the not cured logs and other whatever, trying to figure out what's what. I'll have enough firewood to get me through the winter. It's just a matter of sorting it out. Well, here comes another gust. That was the little one. That one feels good. A lot of good firewood here. I'll get through tonight easy with what I got already here. Tomorrow I'll cut some more firewood up. Hey, that looks like the peak to my shed I've been looking for. Right over there. That's good old wood. Well, it's getting dark. I'm going to finish this up, dig at this for a while until I can't see anymore, and then call it a night and get some video work done.